can't speak math and you have to that's what you are not able to do. How could you do something else? It is not possible for you, I think so. Just I am kidding, because sometimes we need to do fun also. So hello lovely people, in this video I am going to talk about, I want to speak in English but I don't have time. I want to speak in English but I am too late. I want to speak in English but I am from Hindi medium. Actually, I have heard all these problems with the English learners. I want to say you one thing. It's all about nothing sort of an excuse. Yes. So just don't make an excuse and try to do. Actually, you have to cut your crap. It's all about irrelevant things what we think, which always I used to think also. Actually, I always used to think that how it is possible. I can't speak because I am from Hindi medium. But it is also reality. Nothing is impossible. Everything could be done. And when I got to know it is a medium to converse with people, it is a language to converse with people, I started speaking, and in the wake of I am here right now, I am trying to speak, I am trying to learn. So that's what you have to do also. In order to speak this language, what you do? You always think. Yes, towards learning this language, we need courage, we need determination, we need desperation. Yes, that's how we can learn this language. That's what we don't have actually. And we consider about this language as a subject. First of all, I want to say you, it is not a subject. It is only language. There is huge difference between subject and language. You have to understand. If you want to go to take an examination, you have to prepare about subject. And then you will be able to get 10 out of 10. But if you are wrong sometimes while speaking a little bit, you can get 10 out of 10. Nobody will say, nobody will judge you that you are wrong or right, because it is only language, and language has so many types. Actually, nobody speaks in the same way. Everyone has their own way. So you have to understand, we don't speak Hindi also very perfect way and the same way. We don't speak. You have to understand these things first of all. It is only language and you have to consider it as a language. It is very important, and then you will try to speak. Otherwise, you feel that you want to be very correct in this subject and it is not possible. So we can't speak math and science. We can't speak. So it is only language and we have to work on it to speak more and more. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is very good. Someone is good. They are teachers. You have to understand. But we are learners. We are trying. And a little bit if we are speaking, that's also good for us. We have to understand. Don't try to be like others. We always compare ourselves with others. That's problem also we have actually. Don't try to be like others. What you know, it is enough for you, and you can understand what you are. So just try to learn. Don't make an excuses always, and try to go to outside to talk with people who are better than you, and that's where you will be able to understand where you are right, where you are wrong. Actually, if they will not interrupt you, they will not intervene you, they will not poke their nose while speaking English, where you are right, where you are wrong. I want to say you, mind is very sharp. Our mind is very sharp. Our mind has power to catch what is wrong, what is right. And yes, by and by, sluggishly, you will be able to perfect. Yes, it will take time. In overnight, it can't be done. We want to be perfect in overnight. It is not possible, actually. So just do your work, what you want, and irrespective of the age, we should try to learn whatever we want in our life. I'm not talking about only language. Whatever you want, just go for that. Try to learn. That's what we have to do. Don't try to make an excuses and it can't be done. Definitely everything could be done, and everyone has power. If someone can, why can't we? We can also. If I am trying, why can't you? You can try also. So just try. And as we know that we have running sort of time, but it's okay. We know that we don't use always this language. That is the reason we are not perfect, because we always use our mother tongue. We always use Hindi. Yes, that's why we are not perfect, as we know that. So it's okay. Just we have to try. If we are able to speak a little bit, that's also good for us. We have to understand. So just go to try, and don't think that how it is possible or not, because it is possible. Everything could be done, and be happy, try to speak, and yes, that's what I wanted to say in this video. And always try to help someone. Keep learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. What you don't do, actually I don't understand why the people don't wanna like my videos. I am trying to make videos. I want that you to like my videos. Don't forget to like. Why are you not liking? Why you don't like? I wanna ask. Please write in comment section why you don't like. Really, it is very good question that I want to ask. So be happy, and always try to learn new things, and what you like, what you don't like, don't go to waste your time there. You don't need to waste. Actually, it is not good things for us. I wanted to say, don't forget to like. Yes, don't forget to like my video. Yes, you can like. And when you don't like a video, how hard it is for you, how you can learn English. Tell me. It is very easy. Just you have to like. That's how you have to keep your finger, keep your thumb on liking button, and then you have to like. That's what you are not able to do. How could you do something else? It is not possible for you, I think so. Just I am kidding, because sometimes we need to do fun also. So just it's also neat. And but yes, you should like my video. Yes, that's what also I wanted to say. Just don't forget. I am telling you, try, try to do. You will feel that it is new news for you. I am telling you, if you will like my video, you will feel that I did something big today. Just try. You can. I am telling you, you can. Why are you not doing? Yes, be happy, keep smiling, and try to help someone. Bye-bye. Take care.